Hi guys, Niaje, now call me Mswahili. I make custom rugs. On today's video guys, I'd really love to give you tips on how to look this good. So my channel is all about tufting, so let's do what y'all made my channel about. Oh god. Don't mind these dogs. Anyway, back to what I'm saying. So, hi guys, my name is Mswahili. I make custom rugs. On today's video guys, we are trying to finish up this rug. However, unlike any other days, I'm going to show you how a problem I normally encounter. Okay, we have a problem today. Let's go. So as you know, tufting is always at the back side, so this is what we are working, then the front side is this. Okay, well, it looks beautiful. I really love it. However guys, when we go down and look at a place like this, do you see this? Like, do you see these places here? Like, do you see this? This means that, do you see this? Well, what you just witnessed is when I was checking the quality, I realized that I hadn't done enough filling for the rug. So I need to go back in with an extra yarn of this color, this one, which is royal blue, and give it one proper filling, so that it can be quality as in Swahili carpets. I mean, when you buying custom, this is why, I mean, yeah, so this is the color we're going to be going in with. This is yeah, this is the color we're using. By the way, did you all know I have a YouTube channel? I have a YouTube channel by the name Mswahili Carpets, guys. The same name I'm using, but add the word carpets at the end. Yes, on YouTube, go follow me. I have vlogs, I have mukbangs, I have videos where I'm cooking. I just have so much more, yeah. And help me there, because at least there they can pay me. Here they don't, so help me get monetized, guys. Just watch videos, even if you're going to watch them on mute, I have no problem. Just watch them, just go watch it. Don't mind that dog. Yeah, just go watch them, and then when you're done, guys, like, support a brother. I mean, yo, yeah. I made that yesterday, this rag, this love one. Yeah, that's what I made yesterday. It's good, right? I know. Back. Oh god, why is it that every time I'm doing this video, that's when this dog wants to bark? That guy who does Nairobi people's rights, like, come for this dog. Back. Do you remember the song Backpack from Dora the Explorer? Okay, so let me show you for the 1 billionth time how to insert your yarn. So your machine has 2 holes, okay, just like a normal. Let's end up there. Yeah, so your machine, wacha tutuingize tuzi in peace. Back. Then we pull back. That done. You see, every time I record, that's when it remembers to bark. So this was the part that was not well filled. This is the part I'm going to fill in now. And clearly, even if I show you, I can tell clearly it was not filled in, because do you see how small they are in numbers? Yeah, that is clear indication. So let's fix that problem before we cut it off. So just from that realization, clearly it's nice to note that before you're done doing any rag, or before you remove or cut your rag, just fact check. Just go to the front, check if the quality is okay. Maybe if you like that quality like that, I don't judge, but for me, I didn't. That's why we had to keep doing. This could be costly sometimes, because sometimes what you have done is the exact budget, but for your reputation, your name, and the kind of brand you want to create out here, just go and do that. Okay, screw. So we're done. This is yesterday's wrap. This is how it turned out.
Ilaka,